Duplicating a task in Asana allows you to create an exact copy of an existing task, which can be helpful for repeating tasks, templates, or tasks that require similar details. Here's how to duplicate a task in Asana. Find a task to duplicate. Log into your Asana account and navigate to the project or task list where the task you want to duplicate is located. Open the task. Click on the task you want to duplicate to open its detailed view. Duplicate the task. In the Task Details panel, click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the Task Options menu. Select Duplicate Task from the drop-down menu. This will create a copy of the task. Customize the duplicated task. A new task will appear in the Project or section. You can now edit the task's name, due dates, assignees, or any other details that need to be different from the original task. Save and assign. After making any necessary changes, click Create Task to finalize the duplication. The task will now appear as a new item in your project or task list.